Backing up your iPhone is essential. It creates a complete copy of your data, including photos, contacts, messages, apps, and settings. This backup can be used to restore your data if your device is ever lost, damaged, or replaced. Regular backups not only provide peace of mind, but also help prevent data loss during software updates or system issues. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of backing up and restoring your iPhone using iTunes on a Windows PC. First, you need to install iTunes on your Windows PC. Download the latest version from the Microsoft Store. On some newer Windows system, you may see the Apple Devices app instead of iTunes. Both work similarly for this process. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer using the original Lightning or USB-C cable. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked. When prompted, tap Allow on your iPhone screen to allow the computer to access your device. Once connected, open iTunes. In the top left corner of the window, click the small iPhone icon that appears. This will take you to the summary page for your device. Scroll down to the backup section. Here, select this computer as the backup location. This ensures your backup will be saved directly to your PC rather than iCloud. If you want to include sensitive data like health and activity information or data from your Apple Watch, check the box for Encrypt Local Backup. You will be asked to set a password. Be sure to write this password down and store it safely. Without it, you won't be able to restore this encrypted backup, and Apple cannot help you recover the password. Now click Backup Now. iTunes will begin creating a full backup of your iPhone. During this process, make sure your device remains connected and do not disconnect the cable. Once the backup is complete, it's important to verify that everything was saved correctly. Start by checking the last backup date and time displayed on the summary page in iTunes. This information updates automatically after each successful backup. Make sure the time shown matches when you perform the backup. If it does, it means the process completed successfully. Alternatively, you can also manage backups directly in iTunes by clicking the Edit button. Go to Preferences. Then click the Devices tab. This will display a list of all backups stored on your PC. From here, you can review the date and time of each backup, confirm the most recent one, or delete any older backups you no longer need. For further verification, you can navigate to the folder where iTunes stores backup on your PC. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive, where Windows is installed. From there, open the Users folder. Inside the backup folder, you'll find one or more subfolders with long random looking names. Each folder represents a separate backup. You can't open these files directly, but you can confirm the backup by checking the date modified on the folder. It should match the time of your most recent backup. Now, let's look at how to restore your iPhone from a previously saved backup. To do so, simply click on the Restore Backup button. A pop-up will appear showing all the backups saved on your computer. If you only have one backup, it will be selected automatically. Otherwise, choose the most recent one based on the date and time. Once selected, click Restore to begin the process. If the backup is encrypted, iTunes will prompt you to enter the password you set during the backup process. Once you confirm, iTunes will begin restoring the backup to your iPhone. Do not disconnect your device during this process. Your iPhone may restart several times, which is completely normal. After the restore is complete, leave your iPhone connected a little longer while iTunes syncs any remaining content such as apps, music, and any other media. Once syncing is done, it's safe to disconnect your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.